pretty sure that was a good shot. Over the river, not at me, I hope. Gotta get up slowly and retreat. Okay. Back home, Burley. Jesus, poop.